All about Symbian and Mobile Industry Review.
My name is Lars Kurth, and I'm the Contributor Community Manager of the Symbian Foundation, and I work with package owners, committers, and people who want to get engaged into the community. I have an N97. Well, I quite like SPB weather, which has this lovely, rotating weather feature, and I also use gravity. Yeah, so fundamentally, when a platform is EPL'd, basically anybody who cares about the code base can see it and modify it, make contributions to the platform. And as in any other open source community, there's a system of meritocracy. So the more you contribute, the more you do, the more responsibility you will end up with. So say, for example, I've been a passionate developer. I've been writing, I've been fixing a few bugs, been writing small features in the platform. I built up trust amongst my fellow community members. Then I might be nominated to become a committer. A committer is basically a special role. That's somebody who has write access to the repository. It's a person who's basically visible in the community, answering, and helping other members of the community and so on. And as more trust is built, or through contributing a large number of code, and through contributing a large piece of code, as Nokia and a number of other companies have done, or through, donating time to the community, you can become a package owner, which is essentially a committer with, with special rights. He's the figurehead of a specific package. It's the same process as with any other open source community. Before the EPL, that process has happened, but amongst the membership, but with the EPL, it's open to everybody. Of course, a big challenge there is it's a bootstrap problem, right? So, so if you look at a project which grows from the bottom up, where you have an evolution of a community building, what we have is quite different. We have a large number of code with package owners and relatively few committers right now, and basically we have this challenge where community builds from the bottom and leadership builds from the top, and the two things grow together. But at the same time, that also creates opportunities for people who want to get involved now and influence and be part of the evolution of the platform. I've always loved working with open source. I've done this for many years, but only ever on a sort of committer and contributor side. And it's actually very interesting to see this from the inside and to help other people get effective and established in that field. It's also a big challenge, so I love that.
All about Symbian and Mobile Industry Review.